And I'm working on converting my 4-foot fluorescent lights over to LED. Problem is, the way regular lights are wired up, we've got these Leviton style. These are cheap ones from Home Depot. I've had them up there for years. They work great. They ran series, and what we need to do with the new LED ones, these only have 2 connections on one end, and then the other end is just connected in series. So what we've got to do, or jumper, is make them into this, which I've already done these. So it's not too hard. What we'll do is, bear in mind I'm not good at explaining stuff. I can figure out and do anything, but I suck as a teacher. Just pop these apart. Those little tabs are going to go in at the top. We're just using a sharp screwdriver. Pop this one out the bottom. Now we got that back cover off. Alright, this is an important part here. We've got, oh wow, I threw my tools off somewhere when I was farting around. Alright, right here, as you can see, there's this connection. Then there's a little connector right there that bridges the two. And there's this connection. We've got holes on this side for this wire to go in, and none here. They're blanked off. So what we're going to do is we're going to reach in and pull out this little copper U-shaped bridge that bridges these. Now they're disconnected from each other. We're going to take a nice little bit. I think this bit is looks like a number 56 drill size. And we're just going to go right on the end here. Knock the dust out of that. And we're going to drill a hole right there. Now we've got a hole on each side. Then we are going to go ahead and cut off the blue wire off this one. We have to cut it off. We'll just strip it back, which I've already done, and we will poke it in there and make sure that it catches up underneath the ledge. And it's pushed to fit, and it's in there making good connection. Just like that. Now we've got our AC line leg going in and our neutral. You just got to do this with all of them. Go in there, make sure everything looks good and clean. Nothing's been burnt or broken. Make sure we haven't busted off our keepers on our cover. Then we'll go ahead and snap this cover back on. There we go. Make sure everything stays solid. It's okay to twist AC wires together. These are never going to have a huge current draw on them or anything. Then you just split the difference on wire length between all your outlets and cut them. Because what we're going to have to do is parallel wire all of these together. And we'll try to do it in the center. This is 2 4-foot lights connected on one ballast is how this fluorescent light setup is. So what we'll do is we'll connect all these together in the center connection. That way we don't have a whole lot of wire to run. And then the outside ends will be bridged together. So we've got one more to go, and then we'll put the whole thing back together. And that's the basic modification to these that needs to be done so it can actually be ran on one-ended wiring.